Alright, YouTubers, today I'm going to do an unboxing of a Kawasaki KR500 GP Racer. This is a cool kit. This is from 1983. It says in the corner of the box on the side. So this is a 30-something-year-old kit, almost 40 years old. This is really cool. Yeah, this is a Tamiya 112 Motorcycle Series number 28. Precise water cooler, square 4 engine, steerable front wheel forks. I like this. Rubber-like slick racing tires. Rubber-like, not quite rubber. And it's got brake and ignition lines. Ready to assemble. Modeling skills helpful if under 10 years of age. Alright. So I got this as a gift. I already opened it up. So inside is all the parts back in the box. Everything's washed, ready to go. But I figured I'd show you guys what this is all about before I start working on it. Because this is an older kit. You don't see these too often anymore. Just sharing what's going on here. So the box has cool pictures of the bike there. It's written in, I'm guessing, Japanese, because Tamiya is a Japanese company. And pictures of the bike without the shell on it. Alright, so like I said, everything's open in the box. Nothing's been taken off the trees. So there was a wrapper over this. And when you open it up, the trees were in... Try to do this one-handedly. The trees were in sealed bags. So when you open it up, you see the bright colors in here. First thing I noticed was the little extra baggie here, which is the tires and the lines for the engine and the cooler and whatnot. A couple metal pegs and a spring. So I guess they built these for aftermarket, I guess. But put it in the box. So this is cool. Nice looking tires here. Kind of hard to see with the bag. One thick one, one thin one. Alright. First tree was this beautiful green, lime green, of the body parts. Which obviously would be the green there. So that's cool. Let's get this box out of the way so we can see what's going on. There we go. Alright, take a good look at those. This is pretty sharp looking. I like that color. Alright. Of course I will paint this, primer it, and then probably use the Tamiya lime green on it. First tree. Bunch of engine parts, some wheels. I don't know what all the pieces are. I'm not a motorcycle guy. I've never built a motorcycle, so this is really cool to me. More of a muscle car guy myself. One thing I noticed is all these pieces are really, really clean, crisp, clear. You can see every little mark and detail on them. So that's cool. Like you can see look at how nicely detailed that is. That's beautiful right there. The handles. Alright, let's go to the next tree. Now there's only 3 trees to this kit. And so it doesn't seem like there's a lot to it. So I don't know if it's difficult or not. Sometimes the ones that look easy are the toughest ones, but we'll find out. And like I said, look at all the detail there. Those are nice looking lines right there through all this. Look at that, look at the chain there. That is a really cool trick. Hey, the Alexa behind me is talking. I don't know why it's talking. You already got those Alexas in your room, they just randomly talk for no reason whatsoever. Anyways, so here's the chain of that. That is a good looking chain there. Can't wait to paint that. Gotta do good detail painting on this one because it's got the nice parts. You're gonna need to. Alright, then probably hard to see here is the window for the bike, the windshield. Nice, clean, good looking. Take out the instructions. Oh, there was one little chrome tree here, which I'm guessing is the shocks in the front, right there. I'm guessing. So that's the only chrome part there. Instructions. Instructions are very cool. It's in black and white. It's got the pictures real nicely. Diagrams of how to do things, the colors, the wiring of the engine. What I thought was really cool is in the column here, it's got some pictures showing you where stuff goes here. The actual pictures of the model. So that's super cool. It opens up like a book, except for this page. I lied. It does not open up like a book. It spreads open like an old school instruction manual. So this is cool. It's got your decal placements and painting and whatnot. And last but not least in the box is the decals. Now, this being a 1983 kit, I don't know if I want to use these decals. I don't know how good to me the decals are. Nice looking decals. You can't really see it on here, but a little bit of yellowing around some of the parts here. It's hard, it doesn't really show up on the camera too well. So it looks like you do got to paint the white stripe that goes through the green there. That white is not on there. So I don't know if I'm going to use these yet, or if I'm going to do something different with the paint scheme. But yeah, this is the Tamiya Kawasaki KR500. Let's put the trees back out here so you can see it again. Let's put that box on the floor. I don't work with a lot of room here. Alright, so this is what you get in the box. This looks very cool. This looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm definitely going to build this, so stay tuned to the channel for updates on this guy. And I appreciate everybody watching. So wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, take care of yourselves and take care of everyone else. Alright, everybody. See you later.